Hi guys, so in this video we are going to see what exactly is today's Geeks for Geeks problem of the day. So here it is a rotate array and we will be given an unsorted array where we need to rotate the elements of the array to the left side, or we can say counterclockwise direction, by d steps. So here the d will be the input that will be provided by the question, and we need to provide the output after rotating the array. Okay, so let's understand how this example is solved. So here the elements of the array are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are going to rotate it for 2 steps, and this will be the output for it. Okay, so let's see how it exactly looks. So the elements of the array are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are going to rotate it for 2 steps. Okay, in the left side. So at first rotation, as we are going to rotate it for the left side, the one will have nothing inside its left position. Okay, so it cannot be moved here, so it needs to be moved at the last position, and 2 will be moved to the left position, 3 will be here, 4 will be at the position of 3, and 5th will be at the position of 4. So after first rotation the elements will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Okay, so this was about first rotation, and at the second rotation the same thing will be there, as 2 cannot move to the left side, so it will move at the right side, and the elements will be 1, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Okay, and this will be our final answer. Okay, so this problem can be solved using a simple algorithm, and let's see what this algorithm does. Before going to the algorithm, first we need to do a simple step, that is check the value of d. Okay, so as the elements were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the value of d was less than the size of array, which is 2, and the size of the array is 5, and d is less than 2. Okay, so what happens if d will be 6? We will rotate the array. For the first rotation it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. For the second it will be 3, 4, 5. Let me complete it. So you can see when the value of d is equal to the size of the array is becoming as it was earlier. Means it is the elements of the array are gaining its original position at the size of the array. And if we go to the one step ahead, then the value are changing. Okay, so here we can see at every fifth position, or every multiples of 5, the elements of the array are getting at its original position. So from this we can conclude that if the value of d is ampersand by the size of the array, and whatever answer we get, that are the only steps that we need to move the elements. Okay, and from these steps we can reduce the number of calculation done by the code, and it will save time complexity, many more things. Okay, so here we need to add an extra check. We need to do an extra step to reduce the number of calculation. If suppose the value of d is 6 and we are doing it ampersand with 5, then the value will be 1. So at sixth rotation the value will be same as we are doing at a first rotation. Okay, so these steps will help to reduce the time complexity. I hope you understood about it. Now let's come at the algorithm. What exactly is the algorithm to rotate the array? We need to keep three things into the mind. So first one, we need to reverse. As you know that we can, I think you know how to reverse the array. Okay, reversing the array is nothing but if suppose the array is 1 to 3 and it reverse will be 3 to 1. So this position will be interchanged, If suppose the array is 1 2 3 4 4 3 4, then the reversed will be 4 3 2 1. Okay, so first thing that we need to keep in mind is that we need to reverse the array from 0 to d minus 1 position. In the second step, we need to reverse the array from dth position to n minus 1. And in the third step, we need to reverse the whole array. Okay, these three steps will result the output that we want. Okay, let's see with an example. If the array is 1 2 3 4 and 5, the value of d will be 2. So first, according to the first step, we need to we need to reverse the array from 0 to d minus 1. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and d minus 1 will be first position. So we need to reverse these first two elements. It will be 2, 1, 3, 4, and 5, the output of the first step. Then according to the second step, we need to rotate the array from dth position to the n minus 1. So this will be this part, 2, 1, and the rotation will be 5, 4, and 3. So it is the second part. And according to the third part, we need to reverse the whole array. So after reversing the whole array, it will be 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. And this is the output that we actually want. Okay, so using these three steps, we can rotate the array into the number of steps that we wanted, and it will be a better solution for time complexity and also space complexity. So let's write the code for this particular solution. This is the code editor, and here we need to create another method which will be void rotate, sorry, reverse, and here we will be passing the start position, then end position, and the array. Okay, so first we need to check while start is less than end, as we had done yesterday into the yesterday's problem, how we can reverse the array. If you are not seen, you can watch the video, you will understand it in a much better way. So in this step, we are going to swap the array element at start position and the element at end position. Then we are going to increment the start and decrement the end. Okay, so this thing will take care about reversing the array. Now we need to write the initial condition. The d will be d percentage of array dot size. This will reduce the value of d to the actual steps, and then we need to follow the three steps. First, we need to reverse the array from 0th position to d minus 1, then from dth position to array dot size minus 1, and then from 0th to end. Okay, so we had reduced the value of d, reverse for the first step, that is from 0 to d minus 1, then d to size minus 1, and from 0 to size minus 1. Okay, so let's see whether it works. Okay, oh, we forgot to pass the array. Now let's see. So we can see that this is our output and this is the expected one, and both are same. In this way, this algorithm will help to actually solve this problem. And if we submit it, yeah, it got passed and it solved the problem in the required time, and all the test cases are getting passed. Okay, so in this way we had solved today's problem. In next video we will be solving tomorrow's problem. So if you want daily updates regarding Geeks for Geeks problem of the day, then you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you.